What up, y'all? It's your boy in the house. Today I'm about to show you how you can make money. How you can make money every day, all day. You see these shades? All gold. See this coat? All fur. I'm about to show you how to burr like what the That was just to try and get your attention so you'd click on the video. That's actually all it was. I'm not no scam artist. I'm not claiming to have made £7 billion from Shopify like a lot of other people on here. I'm just claiming that these are the 5 best Shopify apps that can help you increase your revenue for Shopify. So yeah, the reason why I'm talking about this today is that when many people start up their Shopify app, not the Shopify apps, the Shopify stores, when they actually start up the Shopify stores, they expect sales instantly. And it's not one of these games, because it's marketed like this easy money literally scheme. Like literally everyone thinks, oh, it's get rich quick. You just go in, put some money in, do some Facebook ads, and then you're about to get like 700 grand back. It's not like that. I'm about to show you how to make it simple and how to increase your revenue. So these 5 Shopify apps will show you how to increase your revenue, and these are very trending, and some of them are very, like, quite new. So yeah, let's just jump into it. I'm not going to waste your time anymore. Okay, so this is the first one. This is called VideoFight. Now, this is just a really quick way to actually turn all your product photos into a video ad. If you've never managed to actually get your product and make an actual proper product video for it, or if you haven't got anybody else to actually make this product video for you, or you can't find any videos at all online, then this is a great way to actually turn your product photos into a stunning video that sells. So I'm literally reading what it actually is, but basically all it does is engages more people into your content and actually engages more people onto getting onto your product itself, because of the fact that picture ads sometimes don't do as well as video ads, and sometimes are not as engaging. When people scroll down, I know for myself, when I'm scrolling through Facebook or Instagram and I see an ad, usually if it's a video ad for a product, then I'm more likely to click on the video ad than a picture ad. Sometimes it's different though, it depends on the actual product itself, but you can basically tell a lot more about the product with a quick video. And this really helps because of the fact that you can place it on your store, or you can take it off your store and place it onto an actual, make it a video ad basically, or social content as it says right here. And yeah, it's basically more for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, getting yourself ready for Q4, and basically just telling more of a story than just your normal picture ads. Especially with product pages as well. I know a lot of people, when they scroll through product pages, they're not really looking to read that much, whereas if you make it appealing, get all the information alongside all your product photos in a quick little video that you can place into your product page, then you may see a higher conversion and a higher amount of sales. So that's number 1, that's VideoFight. And we go on to the next one, number 2, which is Recart, and this is Facebook Messenger marketing. Now, I know that a lot of people, so especially if you're using Facebook ads and Instagram ads, most of these people will be using Facebook more than their emails. The reason being is the casual person who's just using Facebook just to scroll through is more likely to open a message from a company than they will if they see an email. Now, the reason being is because emails are not as personal anymore as they used to be. When emails first came about when I was born, they were really personal for somebody else. But now, if I scroll through my emails, I'm going to get my email app up. I think I've got the Gmail app on my phone, yeah. So if I go through my Gmails, the majority of them are emails. Yeah, pretty much every single one is emails from some sort of service that I've signed up to. So I've got crypto.com, a couple influencers, and sometimes it can get a bit spammy. Sometimes people are not as likely to open all the emails. For example, I am seeing all these emails here and I've not opened every single one of them because I know they're a bit spammy. However, messenger marketing is a better way. Basically, all you do is send an automatic message basically to every single one of the people that like your page. So all these people that are like your page, so let's say one of our stores should I say, has, I believe, a couple thousand likes just from social media posts and inviting people to like it. So if I go on here, if I might blur out the name, let me see the likes. yeah, so a lot of 1,600 people like it. Basically with this, you can send it up to 1,600 people, and now I know this is more than that store's database, well, the email database, just a slightly bit more. And the best thing is about it, people are more likely to open, and you can sort of send a similar message that will actually give them a good offer. So for example, like right here, if you want to do it for Black Friday, you can send them a 50% off Black Friday sale. And with a lot of people going on the phones more than ever because of everything that's going on in the world, they'll be more likely to click on it. Now it's only $29 a month, and you get a 28-day free trial. There is obviously similar ones to this, but they're not integrated entirely with Shopify, like ManyChat, for example. This one is literally the ManyChat of Shopify, so I'd highly recommend Recart. I'd really recommend it because coming up to Black Friday, you want to be getting as many conversions as possible and just take advantage of this high amount of sales. Let's go on to number 3, which is Simplified Pages. Now this is basically the ClickFunnels. So if nobody knows what ClickFunnels is, it's like a website that helps you create great sales funnels. Basically ClickFunnels, lead pages, get resource or get response, of the Shopify world. Simplified Pages. Basically, all you can do is you can use like a drag and drop feature to make different custom layouts for your sales, for your actual product page, and you can create it into a sales funnel. Brilliant. You get loads of tested and proven templates that have worked for many people before, which you can import onto your product page and basically customize it to your product's actual needs. This is really, really good. It's made by the same people who created Simplified One-Click Upsell, which has made billions in extra revenue for loads of Shopify owners across the world. That's why I'd highly recommend this, because they're doing a really, really great design for an actual site. Now it is $67 a month, but the reason why it's $67 a month is because you're gonna increase the amount of sales that you'll be getting to your store from just a simple product page. Usually product pages don't really work as well if you're trying to sell something to someone, especially if they're coming direct from SEO, which we'll get into in a minute. So if they're coming direct from SEO or your social pages, not really clicking on the direct ad and scrolling through, this is more likely to sell them more than your actual product page, because it's designed to sell them more. It's designed to give them more info, it's designed to look more appealing, and it's basically really, really simple to use. If you look at some of the examples right here, this is a type of stuff that you can create. You know what I mean? Like, you can actually put testimonials on their images and put them right next to your actual page itself. And you can also do a pre-purchase order bump on your actual product page itself, which is amazing. This can actually really increase your really increase your basket value. And if people are coming direct from Facebook ads and they come onto your store, click an order bump beforehand and purchase it as well, then you're actually saving money on your ad spend, because you're not using ad spend for all these products that you're selling on your order bump as well. So that's really great. Obviously there's different apps you can use for the thank you page to sort of boost them up there, but this will be great just because of the fact that people see it just before they're about to go onto it. So yeah, with the basic version, so this one thing I quickly just seen, and with the basic version you don't get split testing, however with the plus version you do get split testing. So I'd recommend personally getting the plus version, because you can see which product page and which sales funnel works best. Now onto the third one, SEO Optimizer. Now I've talked about this in previous videos, which you can go see on our channel if you haven't already subscribed already. We talk a load about Shopify, loads of ways to make money online, and we just go in depth onto it on the actual whole topic. SEO Optimizer, very, very simple. It just basically optimizes the SEO of your site. It's really, really simple to install. All you do is install it, and all it does is automatically boost all your SEO. It's very, very simple. All it does is run it for you. So sometimes, when you're actually optimizing all the SEO of your store, sometimes it can get a bit time consuming. A lot of people skip it out because of the fact that they'd rather use pay-per-click to get the fast traffic in and quickly get everyone through the store. However though, we've made a lot of sales through SEO without placing Facebook ads for certain products. Now this is brilliant. This is one of the most brilliant things about it, because if people are typing in something. So they're typing in like, oh, I want I can see a coffee mug there, so oh, yeah, I'll type in a coffee mug, even though it's quite hard to rank for coffee mugs. But imagine if you've managed to optimize all the SEO for your store, so loads of people come, they see that you've got this on, oh, coffee mug. People that would be directly typing in something to Google are looking for something, especially if they're typing in a product. So if they see your product pop up and it looks like a really great store with simplified pages and everything else, then you're going to be getting a lot more conversions and a lot more sales. There is a free option which basically allows you to alt text, which gets you images for product pages ranking in Google Images, which can help boost sales as well. You get unlimited image sync quota, new images checked once per week, so it basically goes through your images, make sure they're smaller than usual, so that it's not really taking up a load of the time, and lets your website load quicker. And you also have the pro version, which does the complete SEO optimization, optimizes your meta tags for you, which is amazing. So when people are typing it in Google, so let's say I type in Shopify right now, and you see this right here, which is all the actual meta tags. It actually optimizes it so you can get the most valuable options to actually in your meta description, basically the best description for your website. So yeah, that's that one. It also has Google snippets, everything else, and it fixes any broken links that are on your store. Class product, and I recommend it for pretty much every single store. Fifth one, Printful. Wow. I know a lot of you probably have heard Printful before, but if you haven't, it's a great way if you have a niche store to actually make a lot more sales by making custom t-shirts, custom anything really, any sort of catalog that you want, any sort of item of clothing that people can actually get, you can get on Printful. I went on before and literally you can find everything from face masks, which I know a lot of people are jumping on the face mask trend, especially because they're making it you wear it across the world, so you can make some custom ones of that. You can choose t-shirts, caps, everything, even home decorations, some custom notepads, everything like that. And maybe if you've got a niche store, like for example like a pet store, maybe you could put on, I don't know, like custom pictures of other people's dogs, or you could even put on pictures of like a cute load of puppies. I know it sounds really weird, but if you're targeting it to, like, let's say Rottweilers, and you've got a load of Rottweiler puppies on like a mug, or Rottweiler puppies on a hat or something, some people who be on a niche store really love the dogs, or let's say they have a Rottweiler themselves and they've been coming from Facebook ads, see that you've got this as well, they might be interested. And if you make a good actual sales funnel for it as well and a good offer, people might be up for it. So as you can see, I'll show you this on the media galleries. You can make your own custom design on it without using an image if you really wanted to, but you can also import any sort of images on, or import any sort of text on, which is really ideal. You can also add any personal touch to any design, so people will be like, oh, you know what, I want a different version of this, then you can click on and personalize it for their own use. And you've got, as I mentioned before, you've got a ton of little custom options. I won't go through it all, but you can basically get anything from phone cases to jewellery to posters to backpacks. Like, honestly, there's literally everything on there that you can possibly think of, and it's free. It's completely free. All it basically does is take a charge out it takes basically a fee from what you actually sell. So if you sell something for $30, it takes a small percentage out of it, and that's how Printful make the money. So I'd highly recommend Printful, and just to put it on your store, there's no upfront costs, and you also get a good customer support feature as well, just so you can sort it out with any of the team with any questions you have. That has been the whole video. Thank you all for watching. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed the video, and also comment for what more you'd actually like to learn about e-commerce and what really excites you about e-commerce and its future. I'd love to get you guys' opinions. Subscribe again if you haven't already for more e-commerce and making money online content. Thank you all for watching again, and I'll see you.